Want to find a sound ID in Roblox on mobile? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android. Tap the More button at the bottom right. Next, scroll down and tap Create. At the top left, tap the three lines next to Home. Then tap Store under the Learn section. Now tap Audio. This is where you'll find Roblox sounds and music. Browse or search for the specific song you want. For this example, let's pick Electronic and tap on the first track. Tap the song name, then tap More Info next to it. Once you're on the song's page, tap the three dots at the bottom right corner. You'll see the option Copy Asset ID. Tap it. You can now paste that sound ID anywhere, like in your game or notes app. And that's it. You found your Roblox sound ID on mobile. If this helped, tap like, leave a comment if you tried it, and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials.